Hello, beautiful people.
Good morning.
We are here in Fort Stevens, Oregon. Today, this adventure show starts right now. Yeah. All right, we are here.
Fort Stevens.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool little place. It's chock full of history.
Yes.
So, got a little history lesson for you.
Yeah.
We'll take you up above and show you a beautiful view.
Beautiful views. We got history. We're gonna have a nice trail to hike on in a little bit, and maybe even a shipwreck. So
let's go.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Let's go. Let's do it.
Go. Alright, so Fort Stevens was built in 1863, 1864 as a military defense system, and it was actually part of 3 military defense systems on the coast protecting the southern point. So there's one here in Oregon and then 2 across the bay in Washington. And it was actually named the point at Fort Adams. And later, in 1865, it was renamed Fort Stevens after a general that was killed in battle from the state of Washington. Alright, so this is the West Battery. It's comprised of 3 different batteries: Battery Walker, Battery Mishler, and Battery Lewis. They had 6 7-inch guns, rifles that are hidden in the ground, and they were the main defense system for the battery. And they had like 600-pound shells that would pierce the armor of enemy ships in the ocean. Picture it, June 21st, 1942, a submarine surfaced out there and shot 17 shots at Fort Stevens, which made it the first military installation in the contiguous United States to be hit during World War II. Although nothing was destroyed except for a baseball field.
Baseball field, really?
People.
Ah.
But nobody was harmed, so that's
Have some respect for the diamond.
And then Fort Stevens was decommissioned in 1947, and now it's a state park.
Yeah.
So everybody can come and enjoy it.
And everybody has today.
Yep, it's pretty busy. Thank you, Wikipedia, for the information.
Yeah. These are where they housed those massive guns. Not those guns.
So these are the rails that they use to move ammunition and other things that they kept inside. We love going to old forts. We go to quite a few, but our favorite one is Fort Worden up in Port Townsend, which is the top of Washington. Super cool. We're gonna go back there soon, so watch for a video.
Look out.
these are the housing sites where the soldiers were stationed. So you can kind of see a layout, like probably bathroom, living room, kitchen, bedroom area. Got a ton more houses all along down here. Okay, this is really spooky. I don't know. Nope, not today.
All right, that is it from Battery Pratt, Battery Freeman,
Battery Mishler Lewis.
So now we're gonna go get our backpacks and start our little trail out to the ocean.
Yeah.
That way. That way. Something.
And maybe a shipwreck.
Maybe a shipwreck.
What?
And battery Wrestle. So another battery. It's spooky. We can actually go inside.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go.
About 2.5 miles to the beach, I think.
Yay. I think it might be all paved.
Oh my gosh. We really need a mountain.
We've gotten off of our trail and we're heading to Battery Wrestle, and then we'll get back on the trail and go the other way and hit the shipwreck. Oh. This was built in 1903, 1904, part of Fort Stevens, or yeah, Battery Wrestle. So part of the bigger picture of all the batteries and the fort to protect this little portion of Washington and Oregon.
We made it.
We made it. Made it to the Shipwreck.
Yeah.
The Peter Iredale. It wrecked in 1909, maybe early 1900s. So it's been here for way over 100 years. It's pretty cool. It hasn't disintegrated yet. Not completely, anyway.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah. And back to the car. And back. Now it's on to Jetty Road to go to the point and to the beach. So let's do this.
Oh, and also we recorded 8.2 miles in about 3 hours.
And a whole whopping 190 foot in elevation gain.
Yep.
Well, you're lucky, I guess. We didn't get caught in this.
What the hell?
Oh my gosh, it is dumping rain. Well, we've had an awesome day at the beach.
Yeah.
It's been a great walk and
Beautiful.
beat the weird rain weather, so couldn't ask for better. Now we're off to go find some beers and some fish and chips
Yes.
and another beer.
Yes. What?
And then head back home.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us on our lowland adventure today.
Yeah. And we'll catch you on the next video.
All right.
Deuces.
Peace out. where are we at? Battery. This isn't
That's
Battery Pratt.
Battery Freeman.
Battery Freeman, what's that over there?
That's Battery Pratt. Battery Michelin.
What's the one over there then?
I don't know.
Shit. We'll get back to you.
Do you see what snow in April is making us do?
Hey, not bad. Warm, blue sky. Learn some history. Seen some squirrels and a crow.
I fed a crow.
Ugh. What's next? What's next? Out there.
In the great outdoors. We have bear spray, so we're prepared.
Oh, watch out for those beach bears. Woo.
I'll get ya.
All right, let's go. Thanks. Did you wave to them?
Yeah.
Did you wave?
Yeah.
Did you wave?
Yeah.
Did you wave? Say
course.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Vroom! Vroom!
Next time we're out here, we're gonna walk
Yeah.
all the way down.
Next up on our hiking trail, we're gonna walk the entire, how many miles is that? To the, out on the jetty.